This video is more of a cry for help than a proper video. If any of you can figure out what's going on, please tell me, because I measured the auto-aim values of all the guns. And here you can see that when aiming at a target without a player inside at ground level, in this clip right here, it is not auto-aiming unless it is already almost on the target, like within plus minus like a couple of degrees, like 5 degrees or so. But when I get closer, approximately within 50 or 25 meters by my estimates, all of a sudden, auto-aim begins to work. Why? I am losing my mind. Why does auto-aim okay, so look at this data right here, yes. This I tested with another person in a car that drove away from me, and I repeatedly tested the auto-aim values. As you can see here, the smart cannon should work all the way up to 300 meters with its full effects of auto-aim. However, as you can see here, it does not. It only works within 25 at a reduced amount at farther distances. Now, if I look at my previous data, which I gathered from previous updates, you'll see that I found something similar in the SMG, because for that testing setup, I used just a stationary brick, like the one you saw in the first clip, without a player in it. But here's the funny part. When I fly up into the air, it works as if it has full range on this auto-aim. Why? Why does it do that? Why does it... I'm losing my mind a little bit. Okay, so it works while I'm flying. Maybe it has something to do with the speed of the vehicle. Or maybe whether or not it has a player in it. It can't be whether or not it has a player in it. Maybe it has... Okay, so I detach the glide bomb, and this is a glide bomb. If you've seen my previous video, you know why it has guns inside of it, potato. And all of a sudden, the range gets reduced again. So flying at the same speed, with it attached, the guns act as if they have full auto-aim. But if they detach, they act as if they do not have full auto-aim. And they have the reduced auto-aim. And for context, in other clips, in PvP, when I'm shooting at a player, the missile designs that I do have actually do track as if they have the full 300 meters. I'm losing my mind. Anyway, so what I'm asking for is if anybody has any more information on this, and also like if it's having a bad testing setup type of problem, or if it's something is deeply wrong with the game and turns out that there's another layer of hidden mechanics that I have just discovered. Also, I'd like to say sorry to that one commenter that told me to check chaff and flares. I guess they're right in some senses, but they're also wrong in some other senses. I don't know. Man, I just want to get some glide bombs working. Anyway, the proper video explaining how to do good missile design and all the things that you should probably be considering when you're making a missile will probably come out sometime after tomorrow. I know this is a short video, but well, I'm lazy.